So I showed this first clip on my last live stream. Basically, I want to take this pin from my bending jig, put it in that Pritchell hole there, and use this dapping tool to hammer in a depression, and then do the same on that longer piece here, and then use those to make button head rivets. I'll be able to back up this longer piece in my smaller anvil here as I work on the business end. By the way, these pieces are medium carbon steel. And so here's an example of two pieces that I want to rivet together. The rivet stock pieces are 8mm round mild steel. They protrude about 12mm on each end. I want to thank James Dunn and Jerry S. Hodges for their recent big donations to the channel. In the spirit of fairness, I want to hold a donators only giveaway, and I'll hold that pretty soon. Since this piece is supported at the bottom end and it doesn't have shoulders, so I've got to be more careful. If it expands too much, it could get stuck. Speak of the devil, and the devil appears. No problem, I'll cool that devil's butt off. Thankfully, that didn't become a permanent addition to this anvil. So I just want to tap the rivets a few times and secure them before using the top and bottom button head rivet tools. as I formed these tools and sunk the middle, the outer edges raised, and so it had the unintended consequence of leaving a ring. It actually looks pretty cool. I'll probably eliminate that by grinding back a bit, but for now I'm just going to leave them as is. So pretty simple, and the button head rivets came out great. The outer rings, while not desirable on some projects, might really be pretty good looking on others. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time.